Room 4131 has a lockable door, 10 square meters. Can easily fit a double bed, a desk, chair. It is fitted with curtains. It has got a retractable clothesline that can be connected to dry clothes. It's got a full-length mirror, cupboard with sufficient hanging space, and shelving is covered by a curtain to cover up the cupboard. This room can even fit a small bar fridge, suited for one person. The light switch works via Bluetooth from a cell phone app that's loaded, so you lie in your bed, switching on the light, switching off the light. Comes with a plug, electricity included, water included, Wi-Fi included.